Hi guys, Steph here. Now, today I've got for you a very interesting pen. I've been very lucky to actually get hold of this pen actually before the proper launch of this particular pen. Now, a lot of you remember or will remember or would have read that in the days of the fountain pens many years ago, basically the demise of the fountain pen was due to the ballpoint pen and the likes of the people like Bic bringing out the ballpoint pens, and that saw, well, yes, fountain pens sort of disappear. But what's actually happened, the likes of the people at Bic have actually realised the popularity of fountain pens today. So what they've done, they've actually launched a brand new pen, and, well, this is the pen in question. What it is a disposable fountain pen. Okay, absolutely gorgeous, as you can see here. Now, the barrel imprint, you can see they've called it the Banner fountain pen. And also what you'll notice, it's got these faceted sides to the pen. Again, reading the specifications, I believe what they've actually done, you can see it's a transparent barrel, so you can actually see the ink inside, and when it's ready for you to refill with the, refill the ink, as we'll show in a moment, it's actually an eyedropper fountain pen. Now, the material, you can see here, as I said, it's this transparent material, and it's made from precious plastic. To the bottom, you can see we've got the blind cap there in black. That's also made of precious plastic. And to the very top, we've got this very nice black cap, once again made of precious plastic. So, as I said, they've brought this pen out, and it'll go out to the public very soon. And it is a disposable fountain pen. First of all, the size of it's a lovely long pen from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, around about 150 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's around about 7 millimeters in diameter. So it's quite a long and slim fountain pen. Now, if we take the cap off, which is a friction fit cap, as you can see, okay, let's show you the pen in a number of different angles. It's a very, very nice pen indeed, a lovely design, and what a great idea. A disposable fountain pen. Now, I've actually been informed that the price of this particular pen will be around about the £45 mark. Yes, I can hear you saying, wow, that's expensive, but really it's not. One of the selling points of this pen is that, yes, it's a little bit expensive to purchase, but with it being a disposable pen, when you're ready to actually dispose of it, you can actually remove the nib. You can see there, it's got a warranted 14 karat gold nib. So when it's ready to be disposed of, you will remove the nib from the section here, and you can actually then weigh the nib in. And to be quite honest with you, you will then, at current gold prices, you will actually get your money back. So what a great idea. Rather expensive at 45, but once it's done with, take the nib out, have it weighed in, and at current gold prices, and, well, in the future, you may actually even make a profit. There's the feed underneath. As you can see, lovely and clean. So the pen, as I say, it's come to me as it is now, and they've asked me to review the pen, to say what I like about it, what I don't like. Well, first of all, it's a lovely long pen. It's got this rib section here, so it makes it nice and comfortable to hold and to write with. But this precious resin, well, precious plastic, is actually lovely, as you can see there. And as we've mentioned, what a beautiful idea in that you can fill the pen with ink and you can clearly see when you're running out of ink. So, without further ado, let's pop some ink in the pen. Now, with the pen, you will get a little syringe like so, which allows you to fill your pen with ink. So what we'll do, let's unscrew the blind cap first of all there. Oops-a-daisy. Let me just fill the syringe with ink. Let me just give it a little wipe with a tissue here. And let's pop some ink inside the pen. So here we go. Look at that. What a great idea. Okay. And what you can't see, look at that. It's leaking straight out of the pen. Okay, but not a problem. As I said, it's a new pen, it's a new design, so these little hiccups will happen. But let's see how the pen writes. So what we've got is a fountain pen. This one's made 2025. As I said, this one is what we term as a disposable. Okay, it's a disposable pen and made from precious plastic, but writing very nicely indeed. Okay, so look at that, a lovely writer, as you can see there. So let's pop that to one side. Let's get the cap, pop the cap back on, and there we have it. What a lovely design, what a lovely idea. As you can see there, the pen is now empty, although we've actually just filled it. So yes, although it's a brand new design, they've got a little bit of a problem with leaking ink, but I'm sure they can work on that and make the pen more user friendly. But all in all, my opinion, superb idea. Love the pen, love the design, love the idea of it being a little bit expensive, but once it's ready to be disposed of, you can take, as we've just mentioned, take the gold nib out, weigh that in, and get your money back. What a great idea. So there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed looking at this pen. I'm sure a lot of you people will be looking out for it in the near future when they launch it. So keep your eye out for the launch. But for now, don't forget, leave a comment below. Don't be shy. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe as well. But for now, I'm just going to say Slavo Ukraini from me and this lovely pen. Bye-bye for now.